Yeah, hi guys. Today we're going into the shopping mall to look for something. What was it? Oh yeah, we're just gonna go spend money, guys. I can't tell you for sure what we're gonna get, but it's something to do with money spending. It's my mama. So look out. Now it's time to shop. The kids, they need shorts. But it's summertime here now, guys. So, be handy to have shorts. But sometimes I don't wear what I get them. They should be just great. To look for my nephew something to wear. Just got born on the 29th of October, and it's a boy, so I'm looking for boy stuff. Oh, so cute. Makes you want to have a baby. I've been trying to look for this the pie maker. I have a pie maker at home, but it's like small. I want the sort of average size ones. I'll even show you some more mukbang of my pies. I have a video when I made supper sweet pies and old pies. So if you haven't seen it, guys, go and look for it, please, and have a watch. My mama. Hello, Carol. Yeah, we're here. We're here with my love. Huh? I think we'll feel a little bit. Huh? Yes, so. Look down there and everyone's eating. So, see. Yeah, so we're gonna go home. Take my mama bear home. Home. I think she's a bit tired. Guys, we had to leave the shopping centre early because my mum wasn't looking like she was able to walk properly. So I thought we'll come here to this place and get us some island food. Can you see inside there? So I'm going to go inside and get us some island food so we can have some food at home. We didn't have a long stay at Mount Druitt. Oh, better to take my mum home if she's comfortable rather than walking or in pain. So guys, I come here to this package shop to get my food. So just for now, I'm going to look around and see what I want to buy. I already have an idea, but I just want to, you know, look behind this foggy looking glass. Oh, there's some pork. Yeah, that's everything. Babies. Because my favorite little pig. Okay, I can't see through this glass, so I'm gonna ask them, please come and wipe it. So I don't have fire on it, guys. See what's behind it. I see curry. I might have fire on it, guys, after all. And now I'm asking her to get me some of that. Yes, so beautiful. And after I'm going to get me some taro and the pig. Oh, no, my husband would love this. But no, he should be on a diet, have some salad. And what a liar. Nah, my husband loves salad more than me. So, oh, look at that nice lady. Look, she's wiping, but, excuse me, wasn't a little bit down in. You gonna wipe, lady? Lady? Okay. Lady, where are you? Oh, she's complaining about me because I'm filming. Lady, please, can you just give me some churros, please? Don't complain about me. I'm only trying to show how lovely your food is. Just come and buy it if they live locally. So, where are we, lady? Where are you? Okay. Oh, they just brought in this beautiful little and it's got lemon. Just cooked. So just put it down. But anyway, I gotta pick my book. Yeah, that one. Yep, lady, please. That one. Yep. That one. And then I'll have that one down there. Yes. Yeah, please. Lady. Oh. Okay. She's gonna give me a proper spoon because then oh, look at that supper sui and the curry. And then back to more tradition. Yep. She's got that spoon with the holes in it. How am I gonna get some soup? Far out, lady. I want some soup. Okay, give me that one then. Thank you, lady. See how you gonna give me some soup with that holy spoon? Oh yeah, get it. Oh, yeah. Anything else? Yeah. Lady, can I please have 2 of those Maryland chickens, please? You. I think I'm gonna get me some tomorrow. Lady, please. Do you have luau with masi in it, or is it super? Can I have 2, please? Yep, I'm gonna get me one to eat my food with. Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got island food, Polynesian food. Guys, I'm gonna tip this luau out. Yeah. So what's on the menu today is what I showed you guys. So I have like 2 luau's. I had 1 luau before, guys, but it wasn't enough. It ran out too early. Okay, guys. So I've got 2 luau's, 1 Maryland chicken, and some soy and gallo. So that's the food today, guys. Anyway, how you guys been? We're shopping with my mom, but she wasn't feeling herself. You know, I normally see her, she's really like, keeps up with me when she's walking, but today I think she had a sore back or something. Probably lying down too much. I tell her, don't lie down too much, go watch TV, let's go do something, let's walk outside and have a coffee. She don't drink coffee, but you know, she doesn't want to. She prefers to lie down more. But anyway, guys, so I thought I'm gonna get some island food, come home and bang it and eat it. But I've got to do my prayer, guys. Gotta say thanks out here. Okay, guys, the prayer's done, so it's time to eat. The supper sweet smells so good today. I shouldn't smell it, but you know what it smells like? It smells like wow. Okay, guys, yeah. I got a rice gallo. I just bit my tongue. That's what adults used to say back in the days. You know, when you talk too much, they say, bite your tongue. But does anyone actually bite their tongue? Nice food. You'll hear my air condition. I love this stuff. I love this luau with be simple. Here guys. I would love it a bit more coconut cream, but hey, still tastes really good. I like it. Tastes good. Oh, I spoke too soon. Look at that coconut cream. I don't know who makes this well, but whoever makes it in blacker, good hand. I've got my water, my Kangen water, very good. I love drinking it, I drink it every day. When you go back to other waters, it has this other taste that we normally taste, but when you drink this so many times, you don't want to go back to the other water. Even if I go to the shop and I forget my water, I do not buy until I get home and drink my water. Especially now I know what's inside those kind of waters that's being sold at the shop. No thank you. Yeah man. Oh guys, who likes luau? I love luau. Maybe because, you know, growing up, that's what we eat, eh guys? Mangkua ya umu ya sola ah. Này, này mà của, ô Faye mấy umu, ô cá cô để lúc, ô mấy, ô mà ngon, về đi ăn cũng mẹ ai. Ai cái mía là, chắc rồi là, về ra số sai ai đi vậy à. But now, unless it's families that, you know, don't have much outside help, or have a job to, but even if you have a job in Samoa, the pay is like, my kids spending money, and then the stuff is a bit expensive. That is so sad, guys. See if I can find it. Some people don't even want to leave Samoa, right? But sometimes you've got no other option but to leave Samoa to go and try and get a better life outside. In 1972, we flew out of Samoa. My parents decided, you know, to take us to New Zealand to put us through school. I forgot how many of us did. Okay, there was my older sister, there was my brother, there was me, there was my other little brother, there was my other brother, there was 5 of us. So I think that time, back in the 70s, you could only take, I don't know who came up with that law, but it was a sad law, you know. You could only go with 4 kids. So it was heart-wrenching for my poor parents to decide who are they going to take and who are they going to leave behind. My dad said, me. Anyway, but my mom said, are you crazy? She's one of the babies. But my sister being 12 years old at that time, oh, I was so sad thinking about it. Because my daughter Geneva, she's 13 now, right? And my sister was 12 at the time, and we were the only ones that allowed to come, and she had to stay behind with family. Hey guys, and yeah, I don't know who came up with that one. So my poor sister stayed with family in New Zealand. Anyway, so because there was now a lot of us, because we were staying with our auntie and my uncle. My auntie being my brother's, my dad's sister. I tell you what, it's not always good staying with family, I tell you. So either they bug us or we bug them, you know. But if you're close with your family, then it's good, you know. You know, we stay with our auntie. But anyway, I got along with her kids, you know. Sometimes we'll have our clashes, and then it's almost having my mum and my auntie gonna have a fist fight because of the things that we stupidly do, and then we fight, and then it causes them to. But my mum, yeah, she was a feisty on that one. Anyway, so we stayed with them, and then it got too much. My mum got a haircut. You see, when you stay with your in-laws, you won't tolerate it as much as you know yourself. You know, if that was your family, you can tolerate things that your family does. But, you know, people that's not family, they're going to go, let's get out of here. But, you know, anyway, so my mum wanted us to, we went and stayed in Papatoetoe. That's where we first went and stayed in 1972. And our auntie's house was like one of the, you know, brand new houses there back then. And just at the back, it was a primary school. It was Quindadine Primary School. You know, I liked being there, you see, because I was really close to my cousin Sonny. But anyway, when push comes to shove, my mum said to my dad, let's get out of here, let's go find our own place. So we did. So we stayed in Glen Innes, not for too long, it wasn't a full year. And then I think the owner wanted to sell the house at that time, I heard my mum say. And then we got a house in Green Lane. So we went and stayed in Green Lane, right next door to the shopping centre. It was only a little one, and it was on the main road. And I tell you what, my mum said back then the rent was $35 a week, and my dad would only get 100 and something, so he'd take the rent out, and then he got us to look after with that. Anyway, I know I should eat the outside of the galopap. There was a point where I wanted to tell you the story. Oh, yeah. So, staying in Glen Innes, right? We had this neighbour, Barangi neighbour. They had a plum tree, and his son, he'll climb up, and I don't know how we became friends with him, but we were broken English. But anyway, I wanted to climb up the tree. Because that boy, he will climb up the tree and easily come down. It looks so easy. And what did this fishy do? Climb up the tree, and then got stuck far out. You know why I was screaming when I said that? Come on, man, my mum said, jump, cut your hair. I said, oh, Faye. I said, come on, Superman, where are you? Come on. Nah, I didn't even know Superman. So fresh, I didn't know anything that time. Anyway, she was saying, you know what? Even though the branch at the time must have been just like the highest garage door, but to a little kid's eye, like a 6-year-old's eye, that was like you're just jumping down from, you know, the sky tower. Huh? How did she tell me to jump down? Anyway, so I wouldn't, and it made her furious even more. Then my uncle came home from work, and she was going, better. SAMOA, man, come on, Anyway, he got me down and he said to me, don't go back up there, in a nice voice. I love my uncle better. He said, oh, I'll go out and but yeah, no, that nice tone. And then my mum was going, oh, mate, and kapow, kapow, pow, pow, pow. How she goes, everyone behave, but you. Gosh, because I'm adventurous, gosh, Dora the Explorer. Anyway, so she fussed me, and when that kid next door used to crawl out to me, come, and he's up the tree, I feel like going up there and pushing him off the tree. He started it. So, anyway, it was a life experience that time, and I'll never forget that hiding. Yeah, mama. This is what you call Marianne's. You see the oil dripping down? So you know it's moist. Anyway, so we moved and stayed in Green Lane, right? And there was this auntie of ours that stayed next door. Well, it's really my auntie's husband's sister, or was it auntie or something? No, you know, when you're a child, everyone's auntie and uncle. Anyway, see, I didn't know much about pregnancies and stuff like that, right? I'm only a 6-year-old. Anyway, by the time we moved out, I think it was about 7. Okay, going near 8. Because I remember myself. Because I was nearly 8 when we moved here. Because I turned 8 there, and my cousin that I was really close to, but I still am in my heart. His name is SENIA. He made me a chocolate cake for my birthday. That's the first time anyone, when they gave me a birthday cake. Oh, SENIA. It's why in my heart, I still love him. I don't see much of him now. He stays out in Bondi, guys. I think that's where he's birthday. Anyway, so we used to go to Cornwall Park Primary School from there. We used to walk home. Walk to school, walk back. Because back in those days, there weren't many creepy crawlies riding around trying to kidnap kids. No, it was really safe back in the 70s, I mean. Yeah. So it was good there, you know? But I tell you what, guys, I'm going to tell you guys a story. Oh, it's so embarrassing now when I think about it. Whenever I meet girls, like they become my friends, I never forget their names. Anyway, my first friend ever was Nori. Well, she's like, I don't know, just married girl with brown hair, right? Anyway, I really needed to tell her about my kudos. No joke, guys. I really needed to know what the Whapālangi word for kutu was. You know, like the oko. I didn't know how to ask in English. So anyway, you know, I just bluff it, you know. Bluff it with her, like, whenever she says something, I pretend, oh yeah, I know what she's thinking about, but no, all confusion. No, I really wanted to know what kudu was, because I wanted to talk about it, because it was making my head itchy. Right? So, I went searching for a kudu in my head. Be quiet, stop laughing, stop going ill. You know, so, guys, right? I'll put that down. Anyway, so I wanted to know what kudu was, right? Uku. So I go, I pull it out of my hand, open up her hand, and I you know, like I hold her hand and I put the kudu, and she goes, "Hey, kudu," and I say, "Kudu." She goes, "Kudu." I thought, that's it. That's the Palangi word for uku is kudu, but it was actually Maori word for kudu. Anyway, so I told my mum what I done. She goes, "We only ma." You're a child, you're not ma. I'm not in there. Anyway, I guess what she did, she went and told the teacher that I had kudos. So, they sent home a note to my parents. They didn't know anything about it. They didn't know how to read it. So they summoned my auntie later to read the note, and it said, "Oh, they said that the Kenyans got ukus." And the leader must have said, "Dear Mrs. Tawa, your daughter has got so many kudos. Can you please get rid of it and tell her to stay home?" Anyway, I don't know, but yeah. So my mum, worst mistake. It was her job to look at my hair every single day. It was so torturous. Torturous! You know. So, she'll do it for like, I don't know, it felt like 10 hours. Well, probably an hour or two, but it felt like 10 hours or 10 months. 10 months. But anyway, and then I'll pretend to fall asleep. And you know what? That didn't work because she would shake my head to wake up, you know? So that's a shame. Faye pretend to be asleep. You know, back in those days, things were so simple. Things were made to last long, you know? People were trying to make money, to try and rip people off. You know, back in the 60s and 70s. And then what happened? Now, people don't make things good to last. It's always about making the buck rather than making people, you know, get some quality stuff, you know? But, that's what it said. That's what is predicted in the Bible. That people will become lovers of money, got no time for their families, clashing with everyone, no more love and harmony in the families, you know? I remember my mum telling us that, reading us that from the Bible when she became 7 Days Adventist. And I don't know if it was true, but look now, look what's happening now. How bad. Everything is just so bad. Close me. Just predicted in the Bible, because people don't believe in the Bible, but the Bible said, you know, the real deal. You know? Because how can the Bible predict something that's currently happening all those years? The Bible predicted all this. There's another clairvoyant on this earth that can predict from way back to see what's happening now. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Anyway, guys, I better let you guys go. I gotta go take this, wash my hands, and then gotta come back, give you guys a shout out. Okay, guys? Nice hanging out with you, telling you my story. I was trying to record stories so I can tell you guys about it. And I remembered one story this morning. And I thought, oh my gosh. The days of my life, eh? But I'd really like to hear your brothers sing. That's why, make you guys a channel, guys. Please. Here's my shout out, okay? It's just to show my appreciation for people that's been kind enough to watch and comment on my videos. So the first shout out goes to Curtis EUBANKS, okay? Curtis EUBANKS, thank you so much. Freedom Williams, thank you also. And then also PJ and YOVEY DRIBO. If I said your name wrong, I'm really sorry, but I'm trying to say it as I read it. Anyway, thank you guys. But the spelling will be correct, but probably the way I say it is not. So sorry. But anyway, I hope I get this name right. It's Macy Siponi. Thank you so much for the comment that you left. SENIA. Oh, I love Shania Twain. But this one, it's either SENIA or Shania. And that's a nice name. And the last name is FAAMAUSILI. Thank you so much. And there's Sarah SHAZZA. Hello, Sarah SHAZZA. My daughter calls herself SHAZZA, and her name's Sharon. Anyway, STS Vlogs. Thank you so much. You guys are supportive, you know, to our channels. Thank you so much. And SAMOA Low. Thank you very much. Do you know there's a SAMOA lovers? They commented to my channel. I think last week and this other time. Anyway, talk too much is a shout out time, not talk too much time. And last but not least is Chris Mappa. Okay, thank you guys. That's all your fellas' name, because you guys have been so great and leaving a comment and, you know, taking the time off your day to watch my channel. Maybe not all the way, but at least you guys came and, you know, have a little watch and leaving me a comment, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now give me a hug. Give me a huggy. I know, I'm in a huggy mood today. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I want to say hello to my nieces, Kyrie. So Kyrie Vaila and Danielle Toa. Love you guys, okay? Thank you so much. Ah, I cannot forget Myra, thank you, and Leah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. Bye now. Take care. Kia manuia. Put up your fellas' videos, guys. Do you know there's so many of us polys out there now doing channels, videos. Yeah, see, face up, love, heart. Bye, guys.